Also guys, I will be showing you in this particular video how I generated the videos you're seeing on your screen using the Seedance 2.0 model. So I generated these videos without paying for it, and you can see how these videos are very clean and sharp. So I'll be showing you exactly how I go about it in this particular video. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
Alright guys, this is the website we are going to be using for this particular tutorial, and I'll be putting the link to this website in the comment section. Just do ensure you check it out. Now once you're on this particular website, what you're going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to the business of today. So we are going to be using, I'm going to click on Seedance 2.0. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now one thing about this website, once you sign up, it's going to give you free credits to use and work. And every day, if you come back to this website, and you're going to see a pop-up here for you to claim your free credits daily. So every day you need to always ensure you come back to this website and claim your free credits. Now I'm going to now go ahead to this. Let me say I want to use this. I'll enter my prompt here. Now remember, I'm using Seedance 2.0. Enter my prompt. Now what I'm going to now do, you can see all these ones are like sample of jobs people have done on this particular website. Now on this website, you can see you can bring in your reference image, and there's first and last frame in case you want to do that. So but you can bring in your reference image. For this, I'm going to do it, generate this particular one without reference image. So my aspect ratio, I'm going to make it to be this, and now I'm going to now scroll down a little and come to where we have under the duration. You can see now, if you scroll down a little, you can see duration. Now it is going to cost me, for me to do this 15 seconds video, it's going to cost me 308 credits. So I'm going to I'll stick to, let me say 6 seconds. You can see it's costing this. Now let me say I'm going to be using 5 seconds video. It's going to cost me all 103 credits for this particular one. Now I may say I'm reducing the quality of my video. So you can see this is just what, now it's not that you're reducing the, but now this one is still going to come out clear for you. So now I'm ending up spending 48 credits on this to generate this particular video. I'm ending up spending 48 credits. Now once you're done, you can go through and check and ensure everything is okay. Then what you're going to do now is just click on generate. See, once I click on generate, your video is queuing and it's processing. So you can see these are other ones video I generated using this particular platform before. So yes, so now you can see this is the one we are generating using Seedance. This other one was generated using Grok. Now this one I'm using Seedance to generate this. Now after this, I'm going to now, while this is generating, let me prepare. I'm going to go and get the prompts for the second one and also the image for the one will be generating next. So now let me just assume, okay, for that one, let me quickly just bring in the prompts. So now I'm going to now paste in my prompt. This is the prompt I've pasted in my prompt. So now once I scroll down a little, sorry, I'm going to scroll down. So okay, once I scroll down a little, okay, where we have our import image, I'm going to import the image I want to use. Let's say I want to use this particular image for the video. Now I'm going to now click on insert. For you can see we're going to bring in the image, waiting for the image to upload. So one thing you should note, once you're uploading your image, you scroll down a little, you'll be seeing them showing here. So I think I uploaded it to so I'm going to now leave, okay, every other thing is okay the way I want it. So I'm still going to maintain the same settings, and I'm going to click on generate still. So your video is queuing. You can see added to the list of my videos that are generated. You can see here is it on the top, and the other one has finished generating. I think here is it here. So I'll play it. I'll just download it first. I'll be playing it later on at the end of the video, so you see what it generated. So I'm downloading the video, so just download. You can see I've downloaded the video, so I'll be playing it at the end of the video so that you see what it looks like. So while we wait for this to, let me just quickly wait for this to complete. So you can see I've been able to generate my videos using Seedance 2.0, and this is totally for free. You can just follow this script and keep creating your videos for YouTube and keep creating your videos. you remember to always come back to this particular website to always claim your free daily credits. This is very, very important if you want to keep generating more videos. And if you exhaust your limits, what you just need to do is to switch to another different account and create another different account and use that. Now, I recorded a video before earlier, because on this particular website, you can't use, let's say on this particular browser, I can't use two accounts, as in I can't claim my daily credit on two accounts at the same time. So I recorded a video where I showed you how to do that. That's on this particular website, because you normally track the IP. So I recorded a video where I showed you how to show and claim your free credit. Even on that particular video, I tested it on 3 different accounts and it worked. So what you need to do is to follow the same process, and it's going to show you how to go about claiming your credits using this particular platform. You claim your credits on different accounts on the same browser or the same distance. So what you just need to do, just watch the video showing up here, and I will be pinning it at the end of this video. So you just need to just watch it out, check the video, and you will learn how to claim your credits every day on this website. All right, you can see it's done generating my video for me. You can see this one. I use image to video. I inserted my image and it generated the video for me. So I'll be downloading the video. Then after this, the next videos you're going to be seeing next is going to be the videos of what we created so far. Now, one thing I want you to do, please just ensure you try this website out, try it out, and let me know your experiences in the comment section if it works out for you. So we'll just check and let me know. So I'll be waiting for your feedback, but for now, this is where I'm going to stop.
Right now, and let the crowd remember us! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.